Hello, Namaste. My name is Sabhagya and welcome to Mindfulness Meditation for Daily Life. Let's understand what is mindfulness. Mindfulness is simply the energy of being aware of and awake to everything that is happening at present moment. Right now, at this moment, you can be aware of your body and your breath and whatever is happening in and around you. This is mindfulness. Let's do a meditation of gratitude. To begin, find a quiet place where you know you'll not be disturbed. Sit upright in a comfortable and stable position where you feel supported and your back, neck and head are straight. Or lie down on your back in a comfortable place. Allow your eyes to gently close. Take a slow, deep breath to bring yourself to the present moment. And begin the process of feeling more peaceful and center. Breathe into the belly so it expands as you breathe in and gets smaller as you breathe out. Now mentally scan your body for any area where there is tightness, tension or soreness and breathe your warm, oxygen-filled breath into that area. As you breathe out, let the tension release, breathing it out. If you notice any thoughts or emotion, allow them to flow out as you breathe out. As we start the gratitude process, start by acknowledging that if you are listening to this meditation, you have marvelous gifts. The gift of hearing that allows you to hear these words. Listen to beautiful music and hear the voices of those you love, the song of a bird, the notes of orchestra, the songs of voices, the sound of your own breath flowing in and flowing out, and the gift of life itself, including your heart that beats and gives life to your body, the food that nourishes you and the energy that you are. Now think about all the things we have in your modern lives today that makes our lives more comfortable and convenient than they are for our grandparents or parents' generation. We flip a switch and light appears. We turn a tap and clean, drinkable water flows in. We adjust a thermostat and room goes warm or cooler. We have a roof to keep us dry when it rains, walls to keep out the cold wind, windows to let in light, screens to keep out insects. We enter a vehicle and it takes us where we want to go. We have access to machines that wash our clothes and we have clothes to wear, places to store them. These are the machines that store our food, adjust the right temperature and help us to cook it without us having to gather wood. We have indoor plumbing. We have public schools that can teach us read and write, skills that were available to only the very few just few hundred years ago. We have connectivity and access to all knowledge that has ever existed in the history of the world through our smart devices. Now take a moment to reflect on all the 1,000 people who have worked hard, most without knowing you at all, to make your life easier and more pleasant. Those who plant, grow and harvest your food, those who transport that food to market, those who take the time to design the store and shelves, the packaging that keeps the food safe and allows you to find what you need. Those who maintain the service that allows the internet to be available to us anywhere and anytime. Those who design operations and systems for gathering, sorting and disposing of trash, recycling, garbage. Those who gather news, stories and photos, and those who create the main mini mechanisms by which the news of the events of the world can reach you. all those who play sports, create art, music, films, entertain and uplift you. Now consider the people, pets you know who enrich your life, those who smile at you and cheer you on, those family, friends, colleagues and peers, those ancestors who worked so hard could live well. So you live well, those friends who support you when you need a shoulder or a hand. Now take a moment to reflect on your own reasons for feeling grateful in this moment. Choose one memory you are grateful for, one current life situation you are grateful for, and one future possibility you are grateful for. There is so much to feel grateful for in this moment now. Gratitude fills our heart and minds, uplifting our spirit. Rest quietly for several minutes, 2 to 10 minutes, noticing how you feel throughout your body, emotions and thoughts compared with before you started. No judging, just noticing. Now gently stretch your hands and arms, feet and legs and open your eyes. Practice it for 10 minutes. With practice, you can find yourself feeling grateful easily. Wherever you are, remember that gratitude doesn't have to be for dramatic, life-changing circumstances. It can be simple appreciation for the often overlooked miracles of life. To learn more guided meditations or join me a live session, do enroll in one of our programs of mindfulness and meditation. Thank you.